I did a video on flow before, but it didn't do very well. But people keep asking, so I'll try again. So basically, this is your electric shower. It's all in bits because I stripped it down. Now, as long as your water pressure coming in that way is okay, there is a gauze that covers this internally. So you can check there. Is that gauze full, blocked? If it is, replace it. Also, water comes through. This is actually your pressure control, or the flow control valve. It's called the stabilizer valve. I've never actually seen a problem with them, but I have heard reports of it. There's an O-ring inside. Sometimes that can collapse, or perhaps the mechanism's damaged inside and it restricts flow. So that is a possibility. The main ones I see though are the heat element completely blocked with Limescale. So you can take it off, fill it with anti-Limescale remover, leave it for a few days and then check see if it's working. You can actually fill it up and check the flow rate through it and see how fast it's going. Also, you've got the hose. After a while, these perish internally and collapse inside. So just fill it up with water, make sure it's flowing okay, or blow through it. Make sure you've got a good flow through it. If not, replace. That's the cheapest fix and the usual problem, to be honest. And also, you can have a blocked head. Not usually the main part, but the head there. Usually completely filled with Limescale and it's restricting flow. So that's it. As long as it ain't your main incoming pressure, you've got a gauze here on the inlet. Obviously, the inlet valve is on and off, but sometimes it can get jammed halfway and that can restrict as well. I have seen that a few times. Stabilizer valve, is it working fine? Limescale in your heater, check that. Collapsed hose and a blocked head.